Namaste, myself Mukesh. So today I'm gonna share with you Bhujang Asana, Cobra pose. Legs together, feet together, palms closer to your chest. Your thumb in line with your chest, elbows clipping into the body, shoulders up, and feet together. Stay. So your elbows not moving out. Clip your elbow into the body. Now inhale, press the palms, lift to your chin, chest up. Open your chest. Roll your shoulders back. Spread out your finger and maintain your thighs together. Roll inwards your thigh and just looking in front of you. With exhale, release your chest and the chin on the mat. Then gently release your hands back and then come to the relaxation position, the crocodile position. Relax. Thank you.